All we need as media on the CapCut interface is just a black background. Let's add it to the timeline, then create a text layer. We will type the years from 2010 to 2020, and at the end, we will type COVID. I may adjust the scale of the text to make things visible to me. Let's adjust the duration of the text layer and match it with the black background. Now let's go to animation, and we will pick the roll-in animation and set its duration to 9 seconds to match the duration of the full clip. Let's do some previewing. The first step is done. Maybe I will increase the text size. Now let's duplicate the black clip and set it on top of the text clip. Then we will add a rectangle mask to it. Since we want those numbers to roll inside the rectangle, we will simply invert the mask. Let's adjust the mask's size and position, then we will add some feathering to it to add some three-dimensional effect. Let's check. Actually, I want the animation to stop at COVID and highlight it, so I will first set its color to red. Of course, we can adjust the size of the mask. Now it's time to reposition the text until we get our target text. Once we are done, we will select all the clips and create a compound clip from them. I will adjust the size of the new clip and we will add some effects to make it more dramatic. You can pick any effect you like. I will pick a glitch effect. Then I will add an animation, the zoom in, along the entire new clip by adjusting the duration. Let's make it even more dramatic by adding some music and some glitch effect from the audio library of CapCut. Okay, I think it already looks good. I will adjust the duration of the soundtracks and apply some fade in and fade out. I will add a glitch sound effect to enhance the overall animation. If you're still here, I will be so glad if you subscribe as it encourages me to upload more content. You can check my content about Photoshop editing and color grading techniques. There will be more videos about editing and color grading on CapCut. And as always, may we meet again. This is our final result.